All right, let's put out news that's coming in from the national capital. The Karnataka High Court hearing Nikita Singhania's plea to quash the investigation in Techie Atul's suicide case has refused to dismiss the FIR at this stage. So this comes 2 days after a bail was granted to all three accused, including the estranged wife of Subhash Atul in the case. High Court refusing to quash the FIR that's been registered in this case against Atul's estranged wife and in-laws. The single bench of the Karnataka High Court that observed that prima facie evidence supports the ongoing probe and questioned the lack of progress in collecting key evidence like the death note and suicide video as well. Not just that, the court has directed that all documents gathered during the investigation be submitted and asked the government to file its objections. Let's go across to Sri Lakshmi joining us live from the Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, good afternoon. The High Court refusing to quash that FIR that's been registered in Techie suicide case. But explain to us on what basis has the estranged wife sought quashing of the FIR in this case?
Well, after 2 days of getting bail from Karnataka High Court, Nikita Singhania has submitted a plea to quash the investigation itself in Techie Atul Subhash case. But court has refused to dismiss the FIR at this stage because the single bench observed that prima facie evidences which are now available are supporting the ongoing probe, and the collecting of key evidences is still going on. And the court has directed that all documents gathered during the investigation to be submitted and has asked the government to file its objections as well. Today, judge asked a few questions that since the probe is going on, investigation is going on, and documents are being collected, and death note and this suicide note video has also been collected. The investigation should go on. That's what the opinion given by the court. The judge even asked Nikita Singhania and team that whether they don't want the investigation itself to be conducted. Judge insisted that the probe should go on. Since the documents which are currently available are supporting it. We can remember that this Atul Subhash case had sent shockwaves all over the country, and there were lots of huge protests all over here in Bangalore especially by several organizations in supporting him. And it was said that he was harassed by Nikita Singhania and her family, and it is said that Nikita Singhania had demanded rupees 3 crores to give divorce and 40 lakh maintenance.
Yes, Sri Lakshmi, thank you for the moment. And needless to say, there is clearly a lot of uproar after the bail was granted to all three accused. For now, here's a look at other stories that you're tracking.